Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. Alright, happy Thanksgiving everyone. I do believe this is a dish that just about everybody can make tonight because we're making a sandwich out of Thanksgiving leftovers. So all you're going to need is some turkey gravy, cranberry sauce, stuffing, and of course some nice fresh French or Italian loaf bread. And you can get to work. That is, if you've got any appetite left. Go ahead and slice that bread right down the middle, but don't cut it in half. And then because we're going to be adding stuffing, which is of course just bread, back into this, we're going to take some of the bread out to give ourselves plenty of room for all of our fillings, and so as not to overload this wonderful sandwich. Once you've got all that bread taken out, just splash on some olive oil, tuck this into a 400-degree oven until it is nice and lightly golden brown and crispy. Probably take you about 5 to 7 minutes. In the meantime, you'll want to reheat all your leftovers except your cranberry sauce, because that would be kind of weird. We're going to take our stuffing first and press it down into that little bottom cavity. Make sure to get plenty in there. Stuffing is, well, it's in the name, right? Stuff it in. Once that's done, we're going to take our reheated turkey and gravy, and I think if you splash the gravy on the sandwich, it gets to be too much of a messy situation. They dealt with this on Friends by just dunking a layer of bread in gravy, calling it the moist maker. I just prefer to dip my turkey in it. I think it makes the most sense. Then of course we'll top everything off with that cranberry sauce, whether you made it from scratch or opened up a can. No judgment here. We've all done a lot of cooking in the last 24 to 48 hours, so this quick and easy sandwich is a great way to use up those Thanksgiving leftovers while turning them into something slightly new. We'll go ahead and give this a slice on the bias. Check out that cross section. And then check out this crunch. Oh man, you know that's a satisfying bite. If you can even think about eating right now, I highly encourage you to make one of these or make it tomorrow. Definitely a delightful bite. Hey guys, in all sincerity, thanks so much for watching. I'm thankful for each and every one of you. Now, go make this Leftoverwich, or at the very least, please make something delicious.